Hi, everybody. Well, about ready to wrap up our back-to-back 90-degree temperatures. So the forecast, all week was calling for near 90 yesterday and today, and that has, in fact, come true for not all of the Willamette Valley and up into Southwest Washington, but a good chunk. As Portland hit 91 on Thursday, and so far the high temperature today has at least reached 91 degrees and may end up being reported at 92, which is my forecast high. So we're going to go from valley heat with a lot of us hitting 90 degrees today to a Sunday cool down. And you can see the change in air mass over here on the left. Everybody's warm, certainly away from the coast. And then a very noticeable air mass change on Sunday as cooler air actually comes in Saturday overnight into Sunday morning, pushing the red colors, the warmer air off to the east. So all of that is still in play. It's going to be a warm Saturday, but I still don't think as warm as today than the cool down. Quick shout out to the Momentous Wealth podcast. This is the sponsor of my YouTube channel. This is basically a library of different investing topics, all meant to educate you, the consumer, where a lot of you, if you're like me, are trying to save for retirement and you'd like to keep updated on what your strategy should or could be. So you can find these Momentous Wealth podcasts under Apple Podcasts, and also you can listen on Spotify, thanks to Todd Pisarcek and his team. All right, so it's actually what, 442 right now. 91 in Portland. I bet you the high turns out to be 92 at least. 91 in Salem, 90 in Vancouver, 90 in Hillsborough, 90 in Oregon City. This thermometer down in Canby is just not shielded correctly, or shaded. So it's not 100 down there, but it could be 90. 89 Wilsonville, Woodburn, probably a good chance both cities will hit 90 degrees. And again, there's Salem at 91 degrees. One story today is the fact that the coast, generally speaking, has seen at least some sunshine, but then it's continued to be mixed with clouds. So again, at 4:43, this is the live camera up in Gearhart. You can just see the base of Tillamook Head. So that's seaside. That's all cloudy. The Channel House had some sun earlier today, but look at that. It's all cloudy. Let's go down to the end of Otter Crest. Looking south, some sunshine. Looking north, not as much. All inland areas. There's the Gorge, Elk Ridge Golf Course in Carson. There's Oregon City in the Portland Metro. There's downtown Portland. Everybody just really looking at beautiful sunshine. But as we know, it's pretty toasty. So here's the latest on the air mass tracking map. And again, the number one story that we're tracking next is the cool shift that comes in Saturday night into Sunday. So this is the 5,000 foot, 850 millibar air mass map. It's color coded. The darker reds are warmer weather. Here we are this afternoon. You see the darker reds here in Western Oregon. A lot of us have hit 90 degrees. Now, I'm going to play this into tomorrow, and you can see just the colors shift more to this kind of orange area. This is still increasing west breezes that should at least hold temperatures down somewhat tomorrow here on the west side. If you're going to be out in Eastern Oregon tomorrow, if anything, it's going to be hotter than it was today. Look at those brick colors. And then back here in the green and yellow, this is tomorrow, Saturday at 5 p.m. Watch how this air mass comes in. This is early Sunday morning. The cooler air is here with a west wind flow. This is high temperatures up and down I-5 only in the 70s here in Oregon. This continues to keep our temperatures in the 70s, it looks like, on Monday. This still shows a little bit of warming on Tuesday, but not 90s. Today was kind of the red colors, 90s. Tuesday is more of the orange, the yellow. So that's probably getting up into the 80s. That's this coming Tuesday. But then look what happens. There's another push that comes in Wednesday morning of cooler air. See the blue? That's back down into the 70s. That's holding in the 70s on Thursday. And the models yesterday were showing maybe we'd warm up on Friday, but now they're keeping us in the cooler weather. Let me go ahead and play this into, this is Saturday, the final day of July, maybe getting up to 80 degrees. But certainly all of what I just showed you backs up the fact that the only 2 days that have a chance to hit 90 degrees this month, yesterday and today, I suppose you could add tomorrow. If the west winds hold off on Saturday, you could make the case if Portland hits 90. I'm forecasting 87. And then after that, no chance the rest of the month. Okay. This is courtesy of KGW TV, their Futurecast model. This is Sunday morning at 7 a.m. So with that cooler weather that comes in Saturday and Sunday morning, the white is a low cloud deck. The green indicates the chance that there's a little bit of mist or drizzle or maybe a traceable light shower or raindrop Sunday morning at 7 a.m. falling out of that cloud deck. You can see how the low clouds are banking up against the Cascades. So it's still sunny over in central Oregon. And here on the west side, even at most of the coast, I think has a good chance to clear out. I think Portland, Salem, and Vancouver will become partly cloudy and nice during the afternoon with daytime highs again in the 70s. So let's go back to some current temperatures. And here they are, 93 down in Medford right now. Warmer tomorrow, 95. And then 88 Sunday, 91 Monday, 94 Tuesday, 91 Wednesday. That's a stretch of hot weather. The particular weather model this uses doesn't cool down Southern Oregon until that push of cooler weather that comes in actually Wednesday night into Southern Oregon and drops your temperature by Thursday morning down to 81. No chance of moisture, it doesn't look like. North Bend, Southern Coast, cloudiness down there tomorrow, some cloudiness down there Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, generally in the 60s, chance of rain next Thursday. Okay, all right. So no super warm days. Bend, 88 right now, 91 tomorrow. There's the cool down in Central Oregon on Sunday as well, but still warm, warmer than Portland, 83 and 83. Back up to near 90 on Tuesday. That's that low warming blurb. And then back to cooler weather east of the Cascades on Thursday and Friday. So really comfortable weather. The back half of next week looks to be pretty much statewide. Up in Seattle, decreasing clouds, 80 up there tomorrow. Kind of a morning clouds to partly sunny day on Sunday. There's the big drop in temp, 67. There's the comfortable weather through Tuesday, a chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday and Friday of next week. Yeah, okay. Definitely no signs of any hot weather. That's the overwhelming story there, right? And then Salem, 88 tomorrow. There's a Sunday cool down with morning clouds. There's a chance of rain next Thursday. No chance of any 90-degree temperatures there whatsoever. And let me wrap it up with Portland 7-day forecast. 87 tomorrow. You can make the case it's going to be closer to 90. We'll see. It depends on the west breezes kicking up in the afternoon. The low clouds come in Saturday night into Sunday morning. Could be a touch of moisture. Sunday size 74, partly cloudy developing. Monday, 78, Tuesday, 83. Another push of cooler air comes in Wednesday. And then that keeps us cool on Thursday into Friday of next week, or cool. I say temperatures comfortably in the mid-70s, actually considered pretty normal for this time of the year. Okay, that is your update. Probably won't talk to you tomorrow, so I'll talk to you Sunday, which will be a 70-something degree afternoon. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Please subscribe if you haven't to my channel. Coming to you from Portland, Vancouver, and I'll talk to you soon.